Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to continue the series of Creo parametric training for beginners. If you haven't watched the first video, make sure you watch it to get the introduction part on what Creo parametric is. And then in today's video, I'm going to show you the sketching environment inside Creo parametric. So for every 3D model, we need to create sketches, and that is the basics of CAD modeling. So yeah, without further ado, let's start with the sketching module inside Creo parametrics. For that, I'm gonna just start with my new part. I'm gonna go for, or before that, make sure you always go for select working directory. I will go to desktop and select Creo training. Okay, so now I have set my folder or working directory for Creo. I'll just go for new. Can change the file name to anything. Let's say sketch one. Untick this default template. Okay. Now the unit that I'm gonna use is mm, so I will go for part mm. You can fill in all this if you want. I'll just press OK to continue. And I'm in the environment, Creo modeling environment. So I will just go to options, model display, isometric. Okay. So now the stage is set. We can start with the sketch environment. So for that, I'm gonna select this plane, which is front plane, and go for extrude. You can select sketch also, or you can select extrude also. It's up to you. If you know that you are going to extrude or convert the sketch into 3D model, we use the option extrude. So if you're going to use that, make sure you select the plane and go for extrude directly. So let's get used to of it. So I'm just gonna go for extrude option. Now here you have the option to go for sketch view. So your planes will be aligned according to your sketch view. Now here, these are the tools that we get in sketch. So obviously construction mode, we have line segment, different types of rectangle, corner, center. According to your usage, you can use all these different options that we get. So pretty much standard options that we get here in Creo parametric. In SolidWorks also, most of these options will be same, and if we compare it to any other CAD programs, these all options are more or less same. Over here we have editing ribbon. So in this we can modify the dimension, we can delete any sketch if we want. If we want to divide, corner, mirror, all this we have options. In constraint option we have to define the constraint of the sketch. So constraint means basically giving it and not in number specific dimension, but to define it geometrically, whether this line should be horizontal, vertical, or if there is a circle and a line, they both should be tangent. So in that case we can use this tangent constraint. So this is important feature in sketch mode. And obviously we have the dimension toolbar to create dimension the sketch in the Creo parametric. So we'll use all these tools one by one. Let's start with some lines first. I'm gonna go for line, left click to activate it. You can start from anywhere, but let me start from this origin point. I will draw one line vertically like this. If you left click, it will continue to draw lines. So what you have to do is press the middle mouse button. It will cancel the line propagation from that last endpoint. And after that, the line tool will be active. As you can see, I can draw one more line, but now I don't want to draw, so I will just middle mouse click once more, and we have created our first line. Now this line I want to define, let's say 100. So we are setting the stage for our sketch. Now here we can take another line, let's say do like this, another 160, and then let's say we can go somewhere around here, somewhere like this, and complete the sketch. Now this dimension I want to give, so I will give uh, this dimension first as 160, and then this dimension I want to give as 60, and this dimension we can define as 100. So let's see how much this is. 40. Okay, because already we have defined 60 and total is 100 we have already given. So yeah, pretty much makes sense. After that, what we can do is we can take one more line command. Take one line like this, and then as you can see, this is not a closed sketch. I'm gonna delete some segment of this sketch, so go for delete segment. Just drag, left click and drag. Let's say this is 25, this is 40, this is 75. Okay, once I'm done from here, I can then take one circle, draw one circle here, one circle here. As you can see, these both circles are equal dimensions, so let's give it 25 dia. Another thing we can define is the center point distance, so let's say 25, and this is also 25. This also we can define as 25. This circle is equal to this, and the orientation, like these both are in the same line. As you can see, this constraint horizontal alignment, so we don't need to define the distance from this edge for this circle as we did it for this one. So all this means that once your sketch is done, it is fully defined, and we can extrude it. So for now, let's go to OK. Change your view to standard orientation. It will look something like this. Change the shading to shading with edges. Here you get the option to go for variable. So 130 already it is there. If you can drag these handles to change the value, you can go for symmetric, so both side it will take the value, or else to some reference if I want to give it a reference of some edge or line or anything that is present in our part. For now we don't have anything, so let's go for symmetric only. Let's give it 100 and press the OK. Our first sketch is done. So yeah, this is all about our first sketch in Creo Parametric. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and then if you have any comments or queries, feel free to comment down below. I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace out.